So what just happened, as you know, is the witness was fully impeached. He admitted that he lied. That was a Perry Mason moment. I hope you caught it. I don't know if you did. A lot of times the press doesn't like to report what happened, but the credibility of the press is very important. So he just admitted that he lied. That was a big one. Any other question? Yes?
Mr. John, he is a liar. That was clear today. The question is, if he was lying in the past in service to you, why he was loyal to you, doesn't that undercut your defense and actually bolster?
Well, he wasn't working for me at the time that he lied. You know, when he was doing that testimony, that was before Congress, a very heavily sworn testimony. He was not even working for me. That he had already left. So he lied, and he admitted that he lied. I'm not sure he would have really had a choice but to admit it because we caught him, but he's been totally impeached, as he was in theory before he even made that statement. But that was very much a Perry Mason moment. What is happening with Congress? Go ahead.
What did he say? What was the statement he gave?
Go ahead.
What should happen now after the impeachment, Mr. President? What should happen?
Well, this should happen in terms of this particular trial. I think it should be dropped. It should have never been started. I don't have a jury. Should have never been started. The judge is a Democrat, but I do respect the judge. I do respect the judge, and you know, it's very unfair. She worked the trial so that it comes under a certain statute where you don't get a jury. That's very unfair.
Congress, Mr. President, you said you may go to the Capitol to see it in person and meet with House members. What would you say to the House members if you did go in person?
When you saw my statements over the last few days about Mike Johnson, I don't know where that stands right now because I've been sitting in court all day. So I'll find out soon, but he's really respected.
Inside the courtroom now.
What?
What has happened inside of the courtroom right now?
You mean the conversation?
Yeah.
That I can't tell you.
Did he violate the Gaggle?
No.
Referring to the clerk.
With respect to what?
The disparaging comment.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Who were you speaking about when I said the person sitting beside the judge?
Here, any other questions?
Yes.
Any other questions?
Yes, Mr. Trump, why are court? Can you monitor your other cases? The blanket made about the idea that so many people who are loyal to you have sent parents states with me.
Somebody what?
Speaking to Sidney Powell and Chesbro and others, that they're now turning to Lacey against you.
Well, they're offered a deal and they're taking deals, but from what I understand, they're saying nothing bad about me at all, but they're taking deals. A lot of people, they've been under investigation for years on this, and they don't go after the people that rigged the election and stole the election. They go after people that have been trying to find out who rigged it and who stole it. And a lot of people know that answer. And if you look at the polls on the public believes very strongly that the election was rigged and stolen. But when somebody's gone after for years, any one of a number of people, for years and years and years, and they eventually say, look, let's try and make a deal and get out of this because it's ruined their lives. And yet the people that rigged it, nothing happens to them. It's very sad, very bad for our country.
Who rigged it? Who rigged it?